song. Ha! Doro wish. Doro evil. Anyway, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the late night show. And as it be like this now, this is now somebody where I see from scratch. And somebody where they're very, very proud of. You know, and I always tell any young person with outside there, if you get the talent for music, do your best possible to make sure you pursue them. And this is one person where, for your years now, don't sabi am. As not for that why I be.
All right.
And some different people don't come along, you know, and in our growth to where we did right now.
All right.
You get, and this is now one of the persons them that year. I've been sabi am as Gloria, where she be, you understand? But as she done the grow for the music industry, some people they rush to come launch album. They do live performances, live for crowd and every. Ladies and gentlemen, in the building with me, as it be like this now, I get one very, very otepu, one very, very correct babe girl like this. And she go by the name Tweeny in the building. Tweeny, welcome to the show. Hey! No, wine. Cheers! Cheers! Well, I don't. I intentionally do that one so that you go all come up for the diva ship where you enter. You understand? Get where girls, you enter diva mode. But like, you're going to talk nonsense.
What do you care for? The way you think outside yourself.
Hey now, I saw one girl, they try to introduce herself. My name is Grace. They call me Grrr. How? You be lying. But anyway, Tweeny, welcome on top of the show.
Thank you.
Thank you very much. So you join us on top here. I love your shredded jeans.
Thank you.
You got to speak about the kind of person where you be.
Yes.
Okay, so back to the question now. Whose kind of person you be based on the jeans where you wear?
I be a very crazy person.
Wow.
To an extent.
Okay, you go need to talk out well, no? Wait, she talked just now, say she be very crazy person. So, continue.
And I did weird. If you know understand my person, you go get problem with me.
If they don't understand your person, they go get problem with you. So which kind of person you be?
Crazy person.
I did crazy. I just be myself. I just stay myself.
Wait, see this myself thing. Easy.
Yeah.
This myself thing when some people they talk. I'm just myself. Okay. I'm really just myself. You understand? Myself, they see. She don't say Chris, person if you walk out for road. You can't try hold and put her inside truck, can and go Chris people's house.
Yeah.
You go say, no, I'm just being myself. You have no right to come and arrest me. I'm just being myself. Now problem, you understand? So not be every myself.
Be yourself.
You understand?
Yeah.
Some now miskill. Some now they don't. Why I don't lose? But I'll see something like myself.
Yes.
You understand? So easy bit. One do one crazy thing now.
Okay.
Based on the craziness, what do you feel? Say, easy. Just dare her to do something crazy. Anything crazy, easy bit. Feel free. Feel free. You understand? Anything where she feel do go crazy.
Okay, twinning.
Play sound to the
And the
thing.
sound when I go still play and still based on the song which she still do.
Oh, based on one song?
Yes, now, yes.
No, play another song. If you play another song, she go there emotional to the song.
Okay, I know what.
So play another song. When suits the kind of thing where you want talk, where you want me she do now.
Okay.
You not crazy girl.
Based on the craziness where you take me and request from the Night Father, I dare you now, make you just dance, slowly go where Night Father day. Make you just kiss the Night Father.
Hey! Let it take you. Easy bitch, you are the man. You are the man.
Oh, now my song be that.
I kiss that. Oh yeah now.
Easy bit.
Yes.
So you don't go play one twerking song for her.
She said she weird. She said she did crazy. So
okay, no, this one that they make her. Wait, calm down. This one that they make her, you go enter emotional.
Okay.
Play something where go make her do gigi. Maybe S. You understand? So all those Nicki Minaj songs them, all those ones where they go make it B. You understand? So from there we go know how far. Yeah?
Hey, yo, Jason.
Make I adjust
Say
so.
something to it. Holla at him.
I got one question.
Tweeny, let's do this. Let's do this.
All that
I just say my own no.
in them jeans. You know what to do with that big fat butt. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle.
Oh, yeah, now.
Hey!
Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle.
Make I stand there.
Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Just a little bit. Me in this club making wedding plans. If I take pictures,
Not for camera, for night father. For night father.
For me.
on Instagram. Hot damn it. Your booty like 2 minutes. Go ahead and go ahead.
Oh, yeah, man. You know Anyway, ladies and gentlemen, we'll go on break now. After the break, we'll come back. We'll come do the reading. Anyway, we'll come back now. Okay, so Easy Beat, thank you very much. Okay, now quick, ladies and gentlemen, Tweeny, quickly, before you start to even play anything on top of your home music thing, you don't do live performances for some time now.
Yeah.
You understand? Not naturally, I don't say, okay, waiting album and all of that, but I understand one thing. Say some people prefer to do live, then they'll come reason album and things later. What's the difference between live and studio sessions for you?
For me, live thing now, just yourself. You do your thing as it come.
Okay.
You know, when you do live performance, they feel yourself.
Okay.
People, they feel you. You know, but when you do studio, you feel do copy and paste. You feel sing, can't re-sing, like we say, no, you know, do and where, can't do them again. But when you do stage, you just they do your thing as they go, as they come, and so they go.
So which one you prefer as a person?
I prefer live.
Prefer live performances?
Yeah.
Okay. Easy, we get one of our songs we just play just now.
Yeah.
That's what just play and we'll play and we'll move for feel. You understand? If you all do some kind of running skates things. If only can when if you believe in you, my brother, you do music. Not be joke. Not be joke. All right, I'm believe we'll get the video.
Yes.
Okay. But quickly, okay, Mo will see the video. Then when she come back, she go play the whole, or better still, Mo do it like this. Mo make she play for us. Then we'll take the video, come out for the whole thing. All right. So, sweetheart, just play anything. We feel freestyle here. Oh. Because with me and this, my Easy Beats like this, with the freestyle fire. Okay. Oh yeah, play anything. Oh.
But right now so I go, now so I take. God to take me from grass to grace. I say God to take me from grass to grace. He alone stood by me.
Stood by me. All right.
Still
Okay. You know what's going to happen? We'll go end the whole show later with the whole guitar things.
Wow.
Because you feel happy?
Yeah, I feel like
Easy
I'm
Beat.
alright.
If you don't feel am,
I feel like my
forget.
plan.
Una feel am happy? Una feel am happy? Yes. All right. So quickly, we'll go on this break. By the time we come back, we'll get our next guest. Because if we leave Tweeny for inside here, she'll use music to serenade her life. Okay, so we won't go for this break. We'll come back, but we'll end with her and all of us. They sing some kinds inside the studio. Okay, so don't go anywhere. I see a late night show. Tweeny today for here, and they'll go launch the video and everything. If you're not just enjoy the video, they want to just watch. Make sure sharply subscribe to our channel. Not done it.